line it up, and then push firmly from both sides until you hear a click on each end. Now it's time to install our M.2 SSD. We're using a 512 gig 760p series from Intel, but the instructions would be the same regardless. First, you're gonna wanna find the M.2 slot on your motherboard. We've actually got two here. One right here, one right here. Oh, okay, strictly speaking, there is a third one, but you can see this one is quite short and it's actually marked right there. It's intended for a Wi-Fi card.